In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create an HTML email signature from scratch using Bybrand. To begin, click Create from Scratch. You can follow along in either video or text on this page. When the editor opens, you'll see a blank signature. No personal info yet. Now it's your turn to choose what fields to include using Bybrand's editor. Let's start simple. Add a line with your name, add your job title. As you build, keep in mind the signature is fully customizable so you can match your brand's visual identity. Next, we'll add the rest of your personal information. Now let's create a table for structure. Logo on one side, contact details in the middle. To insert the logo, click the image icon. If the logo looks too big, resize it or crop it until it fits the layout. In the third column, we'll add your social media icons. Nice. The signature's taken shape. To finish, add a disclaimer at the end. When everything looks good, click Save and give your signature a name. Then open Preview and Test to review it and make any final adjustments. Done! Your email signature is ready. To use it, click Paste into Email. Bybrand will copy the signature to your clipboard so you can paste it into Gmail, Outlook, or any other email client.